for that job?
Well, he's the recommendation the Reserve Bank Board made, and the government accepted the recommendation.
Right, you talk about the policy targets agreement set to remain unchanged. You're happy with it at the 1 to 3%?
Yeah, we're looking for continuity there. We just want to. We have the opportunity to renegotiate it with the incoming governor in a few months' time, and as we've indicated today, we want to take account of any lessons from the global financial crisis.
So, and you say you might enlarge the framework of the policy targets. What exactly do you mean by that? Is that with the macro-prudential tools, or more stuff for it to focus on?
Well, look, we just want to take into account both the experience from the financial crisis and the ongoing discussion about whether the Reserve Bank has other tools or not. But look, that's a matter where we'll sit down and look at over the next couple of months.
So is it likely to include new language like GDP growth?
I wouldn't want to get ahead of the game there. We just indicated that the PTA will be renewed with the new governor, and there's some of the background factors in thinking about that are the financial crisis and other discussions about what reserve banks around the world are doing well.
Would that have been actually discussed with Mr Wheeler in the process of appointing him to that position? Those sorts of potential changes?
You'd have to talk. Well, the policy targets agreement is between the governor and the Minister of Finance, so that's where it gets negotiated. No doubt the Reserve Bank Board asked his views about it. I'm not privy to those discussions.
Is this the time to discuss New Zealand's monetary policy framework in general to, move away maybe from inflation targeting to other forms of monetary policy? Are you happy where it is now?
Look, there's so much uncertainty around these days that we want to maintain as much stability as possible. So we're not looking at major changes to the policy targets agreement. People have got to manage all sorts of risks, and they don't need uncertainty about how the New Zealand Reserve Bank is going to do its business.